In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your ad campaign with HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started in the world of digital advertising, HubSpot provides an excellent platform to streamline your approach and optimize your campaigns. Now let's dive in and walk you through each essential step to get your ad campaign structured effectively. First, start by navigating to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred internet browser and typing in www.hubspot.com. HubSpot is packed with a variety of tools and resources designed to enhance your business processes. You'll find the homepage relatively intuitive with a clean, user-friendly interface. Once on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Login. This will prompt you to enter your user credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's straightforward and you're going to need an account to access all the functionalities of HubSpot in structuring your ad campaign. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. This is your central hub where you can access all of the different tools and features available. From here, the next step is to navigate to the marketing section. Look for the marketing tab, which will likely be in your main navigation menu. Click on it and you'll be directed to a sub-menu filled with various marketing functions. Now from the marketing options, locate the option labeled Ads. Click on Ads, and this is where the real magic happens. HubSpot consolidates all your ad campaigns into one place, streamlining your process and offering a robust set of tools for managing your ads across different platforms. Once you've selected ads, the next step is to get started with them officially. You'll want to locate a button or link that says Get Started with Ads. Clicking this will initiate the setup process for structuring your ad campaigns. Follow any on-screen instructions or prompts that may appear. The setup wizard is usually there to guide you through basic configurations and selections, customizing your ad campaigns to best align with your business goals. And there you have it, a straightforward pathway to structuring your ad campaign with HubSpot. Remember, the beauty of using HubSpot lies in its ability to house all your marketing tools and analytics under one roof, making campaign management not only efficient but also comprehensive. Continue exploring the different features HubSpot offers in its ads section. With time and practice, you'll become adept at harnessing the full potential of HubSpot to drive better results from your ad campaigns. Keep optimizing and analyzing, and you'll see the positive impact on your advertising efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and happy marketing.